You get Azure, you get Azure, you get Azure, you get Azure. Everybody gets Azure. Let's stay tuned to this Linux Academy weekly update as I talk about Azure. On January 11th, we are launching our AZ100 course. Later this month, we're launching another Azure course, followed up again by yet another Azure certification course, all while our training architect team is joining in and building more Azure certification courses that are going to be launched in April. That's going to be like 5 by that point. Now, let's back this up for a second before I give you specifics. Back in October, Microsoft took their certifications and said, yeah, we're done with those. And they created a new set of certifications, the AZ set, I call them. AZ dash, it has the numbers 100, 101, 200, also all sorts of good stuff there. Now, the problem with that was we were mid-development. We were gonna launch the new 70 version certification courses on our November launches, but then Microsoft shook the world. Now, this is why you pay for a Linux Academy membership. Our training architect team full-time pivoted to the new certifications. Now, there are a few other places out there that have the Azure certification already. The AZ100 only, we're launching several of them. But what I want you to do is pay particularly close attention because we didn't rush it to market. We want you to be successful. So at Linux Academy, you get your interactive diagrams, your flashcards, your practice exams, 100% objective coverage for the course. I'll tell you right now, a 17 video course is not gonna prepare you for that exam. A 3-hour course is not gonna prepare you for that exam. Linux Academy, we focus on quality. You are getting real hands-on labs where we deploy out the Azure environments for you. We cover those costs for you as well. That's on us. We want you to learn as part of our Instant Lab platform as well. So these are launching, they are coming. It's going to be the highest quality of the market. One of them I think is already out there. We launch it on January 11th. It's the AZ100. Join me on the live shows for our content launches as I announce more Azure certifications and talk about it. linuxacademy.com/live. We got Kubernetes, we got Grafana, we got Prometheus, we got security stuff, we got AWS stuff, we got Elastic Kubernetes Service or whatever AWS is calling EKS. We got all of the things. Join us. It's all coming before the end of January, but AZ100's out there now. Go get it and learn and be successful. You want awesome regular content that keeps you up to date in the industry? Subscribe to our YouTube channel or also go to Jupiter Broadcasting, subscribe to that YouTube channel as well, and stay up to date.